let's come back to detecting organ function. So these are the stuff that I talked about last time, was like blood test. Blood test is one thing that is very helpful. It can help you detect it can give you certain clues as to which organs may be dysfunctioning. Just because you get a ultrasound of your liver and it's clear, there's no polyps, there's no masses, no tumors, blah, blah, blah. And then your gastroenterologist may say, oh yeah, your liver's fine. Yeah, but this only looked at like three things out of 1,000. So even if you did blood tests and then ultrasounds of your liver, you only know 103 functions of your liver is doing good. What about the rest of the 900 or 897? You don't know anything about those, right? I'm explaining this to show you that there is no single test that can tell you 100% how your organ's functioning. That's why you need different ways of looking at it, right?